Why do we need to donate blood? Okay, let me tell you a story. A few years ago, my grandma was admitted to the hospital due to her heart disease and need a blood transfusion. Then a nurse came carrying a few packs of blood for her. It was not from a relative or friend, but it was from a kind-hearted person who does a blood donation. So, according to the Ministry of Health, Malaysia needs at least 2,000 bags of blood every single day. It's not just a number. It's a reminder that every donation is meaningful to other people in need. So, it's our responsibility to help others through blood donation because blood cannot artificially replace or remake, so it depends on the donors. By listening to this topic, you will know the problem, the causes, and the solution for this topic. So in this speech, I will tell you how the shortages of blood can be a serious problem and what the causes is and the solution that depends on the donors. Firstly, hospitals often face critical shortages of blood. This situation can happen because of high demand of blood every day. For example, emergency cases, surgeries, disasters, and maternal surgeries often requires a lot of blood. So, when the surgeries occur at once, hospital will need a lot of blood and it will reduce the amount of blood that available. And then, other than that, shortages of blood can happen during holidays and festival season. This is because sometimes blood donated by school student and university student. So during holidays, blood drives will temporarily stop. So there's shortages of blood happen there. Second of all, the causes of shortages of blood is because of misconception and fear. I said so because some people think that blood donation is bad for their body. There is a myth that blood donation can drop their immunity and cause infection to the donors. But the fact is that the donors will be completely fine after donating blood with resting and hydrating themselves afterwards. Not only that, most people avoid blood donating because of fear. People hesitate to donate because they afraid of the needle, because blood donation obviously involves the use of the needle. But in fact, blood donation involves like a brief pinch of the needle. This fear of needle, also known as trypanophobia. Lastly, the solution is to give education and awareness. There is always a solution to any problem. So, to solve the misconception, health authorities have to conduct a health session, for example, a campaign or a health forums for them to understand for people to know what's the real okay. So we can see that blood shortages actually happen not because of blood is impossible to get, but because people have misconception, fear, and because of only few of people who realize the benefits of blood donation. So, through blood donation, it's not just giving other people in need blood, but also we have them hopes and new life for them. That's all from me. Thank you.